Hello there people, my name is Robert and in this quick video I'll explain what short selling means in just 4 minutes. That even 60s Arnie understands it.
I understand.
And I'm just going to explain the concept so that it's super clear and simple. In real life it's much more complex and there are more details that go into it. Just keep in mind that you can either buy a stock or short sell a stock. When you buy a stock, you expect that it will go up in value. When you are shorting a stock, you are expecting that the price will go down. So as a concept, short selling is quite simple. And let me give you an example. Let's say this is your phone and it's worth $100. And to short sell this phone, it means you're going to bet that this phone's value will go down in price. So let's say I'm the shorter here. So I'm the guy who's gonna short sell this. So this is your phone, I'm gonna borrow it from you. And I'm gonna promise you that the interest rate for this while I borrow it will be $1 per month. Now what I do, as soon as I get this phone from you, I just sell it on the eBay for $100. That means I have the money now. Now 5 months goes past, I paid you interest rate every month. I noticed that the phone's value is now $50. I go and buy it from the eBay for $50. I've just made $50 myself because obviously I sold it for $100 and now it's worth $50. Now I can give you back this phone and your $5 in interest, although I paid that every month, but anyway. And now that means I'm left with $45 from this trade. You have your phone and $5 and I have my $45 from the trade. Now it's all good and rosy when the price is going down, and that's the point of short selling. But the risk is when the price goes up. So let's say that Elon Musk, he tweets that this is basically the best phone ever. It has the privacy features that no one else has, and it's the last one of them. So they don't manufacture this phone anymore. Now everybody wants it and the price goes up and it's worth now $200. Now the problem is it's on eBay already. I sold it for $100. I need to now get it back. So I pay $200. That means that I took a loss of $100. Now I give you the phone back and your $5 that it comes in the interest. That means I just lost $105 on this trade. Now, why short selling is so risky, and actually the risk is infinite, is because let's say the same phone, now Barack Obama and LeBron James also tweets that this is the best. Now everybody wants it, and now on eBay the same phone is for $1,000. To get it back I have to pay $1,000. That means whenever the trade is over, I just lost $905. That's 9 times more than the worth of this phone. In the buy position, you can never lose more than whatever the asset is worth. So this phone is $100, you can only lose $100. But with short selling, the ceiling of your losses is limitless, and actually the most you can make from this phone is if it goes to zero. That's double the amount of your money. So that means if it goes down from 100 to a 0, you're going to make $100. Now for stocks, it works exactly the same way. Just replace the iPhone with Apple stock and eBay with the stock market and yourself with the broker. Now obviously in reality this is more complicated, but if you use any modern trading platform to short a stock, you will just need to press a button and all of this will happen automatically. But please be really careful with short selling. It's really risky. So you need to understand what you're doing. And whenever shorting, you're also going to pay extra fees. That's usually daily. So that just adds more costs. Hey, if you like these kind of videos, consider subscribing, because on this channel I release videos related to investing and side hustle, and I think you will like that. Since you now understand what shorting is, how about learning the best investing strategies as a beginner? That video will appear here. Or maybe you are more interested in finding out the best trading platform for a beginner investor. That's in the second video right here.